Virtual Fiber Art. Foundation Single Crochet. Instead of starting projects in the traditional format using the chain, I'll show you a neat trick to skip that one tedious step. The Foundation Single Crochet stitch combines the chain with the first row of single crochet stitches. The Foundation Single Crochet is great for most any project, but it's especially great when you have a lot to chain. Another benefit to this stitch is its elasticity compared to starting with the normal chain. The Foundation Single Crochet has more stretch and provides a more consistent tension at the base of your projects, like at the neckline, the hem, the sleeve, the cuff, or wherever. I begin most of my non-motif projects with the Foundation Single Crochet stitch. I feel it's a huge time saver and gives you a better, neater, more stable base to start with. Let's start. As always, you start with your slip knot. Chain 2, insert your hook into the first chain, yarn over and draw up a loop by pulling the yarn through. Chain 1, yarn over and pull through the 2 remaining loops on the hook. You're going to need to pinch this area while you're completing the rest of the stitch so that it doesn't tighten up on you when you're ready to re-enter that stitch. Let's do that again. To start the next stitch, insert your hook under the 2 loops you were holding on to. Yarn over and draw up a loop, yarn over and pull through the first loop, creating the chain, and then yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops on the hook. That creates your single crochet stitch. When you start the next stitch, find those 2 loops, insert your hook, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, creating the chain, yarn over, pull through 2. So now we have 3 single crochet stitches with a chain on the bottom. Again, insert your hook under the 2 loops, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, 1 loop creating that chain, yarn over, pull through 2. We are going to keep going for 15 stitches. Mind you, I'm holding tight right here with these 2 fingers. Okay, so now I'm at 15 stitches. Instead of having to dig into those tight little chains, I already have my first row of single crochet done. Ta-da! I will crochet another row of single crochet on top of this. To begin, I just chain 1 and turn the piece. Insert hook in the first stitch under both loops and continue to single crochet down the row. Mind you, you can put whatever stitch on here that you want. This foundation is much more stretchy than if you were to use the basic chain and then a single crochet row. I'll go ahead and finish this up, and remember to count your stitches. I hope you enjoyed learning this method and find it time-saving and as helpful as I do. Let me know what you think of the Foundation Single Crochet stitch below. As always, thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. We welcome comments and even constructive criticism. If you have any questions or would like to see a video of something specific, please ask and let me know below. Create a great day and happy hooking.